Hey, what up guys, how's it going? And I got something kind of cool here. I have the brand new Auxbeam A2 temperature controlled LED headlight bulbs for your car. These have a sleeker, modern design. It's one thing I like about Auxbeam is as things progress, they keep innovating, they keep changing, and they get better and they keep improving. And yeah, these are awesome. Now these retail for $34.99, but guess what? You can get a little bit off of that if you use the promo code that's located down in the description right there. And there's a link there as well. Just hit the link, use the promo code, and it'll save you a couple of bucks. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox these super awesome light bulbs. Then we're gonna go down into a friend of mine's minivan. We're gonna install them in there because his wife needs some new headlights. And these are gonna go in there perfectly, replacing the old halogen ones. So yeah, we're gonna unbox these, go down, put them in, and let's check them out. All right, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, and here's the manual, just in case you need it. And one thing that I love about Auxbeam is the sleek, modern design that they have, and everything is simple. Plug and play. No more wiring harness, no more relay kit, no more tapping into the battery or finding a ground connection on your car and going through all of that. It's just simple plug and play. And they already have the capacitors built in, so there's no flicker. So I'm gonna zoom in here because I want you guys to just check out this new sleek design. Okay, look how thin that is right there. Is that crazy or what? All right, you can see the LEDs right there. Beautiful design, rubber gasket around here, fully lock it in. And yeah, I have a minivan. I'm gonna go ahead and install these in. So let's go down to the garage and go ahead and pop these in. Okay, so here I am. This is a 2018 Toyota Sienna. Now it came with halogen bulbs inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in these Auxbeam A2s, brand new. The size bulb for this car is an H11, so make sure you order the correct size that corresponds to your car. So you don't really need instructions. Why? Because these are plug and play. Very simple. We're talking unplugging the old, plugging in the new, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick. I won't bore you with the details because it's so easy a trained monkey could do it. So yeah, I'm gonna plug this in really quick and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so both of those are in. I'm gonna shut the hood and I'll let you see what they look like. But I can tell you they are a lot brighter. Clean, crisp, nice, extremely bright view. Love it. All right, let's see what these look like. Okay, so there you go. The new bulbs are installed. It's a lot brighter, a lot cleaner. Took the car on a test drive and I can see way better. The visibility is a lot brighter than what I had before. So don't forget to use the promo code if you'd like some off of this purchase, and it's down there in the description. All right, guys.